Guys, welcome back. In this video I'm just covering up Jasmy price prediction, also Bitcoin price prediction. So what exactly we're talk about the future of Web3, and basically we see some kind of downtrend in a Jasmy, also in a Bitcoin. Basically look at over here in a smaller time frame, also in a bigger time frame in a Jasmy. This is crazy one. As you can see right now, this one is a crazy drop which we see in a couple of days ago. I told you guys that like there is a massive amount of support and it didn't drop it until unless the Bitcoin reaching approx of $15,400, eventually $16,400. I don't think so. If fall crazy, so if it fall crazy, so we have some kind of drop over here, which is approx to the 0.0038, or eventually 0.0036 something. It should need to be hold a position because Bitcoin finally turned it green, and it forming so many green candle in a 1 day time frame in a Bitcoin, or also in a 4 hourly time frame. But main thing is that when it happened, when it goes around 1 cent, eventually 2 cent in upcoming days or upcoming week. This is a major question everyone asking because everyone holding a huge quantity of Jasmy token. They're not giving up. They're not selling the token on the market and just give it to the money to the ways and manipulator and shady exchanges. They really want to get your money if you sell it. All right. So according to the 1 day time frame, it squeeze the price higher and not letting the price down anyhow because this one is a crazy bottom. I'm just looking. Somehow, if it goes higher from this price point and reaching approx to 0.0042, if it reach it, then it fly like a rocket, and it's reaching this resistance which we want, and we're waiting for so long for this resistance to break out. Somehow, if it break out, so we see second resistance I told you guys in a couple of days ago, which is approx 0.006 is a penny size and very low. We don't require any kind of big super ultra pump. Yes, we want it. We want it. That's why we're holding the token right now. Let's dive into the weekly time frame. This is a major and important time frame. A couple of weeks ago, almost a 3 week, it turned it green. So everyone's so excited when it turned it red. So everyone's so demotivated these days, thinking, Travis, look at the price, fall down crazy. What we need to do right now? In a weekly time frame, squeeze the price higher according to the 4 hourly time frame, also bullish, and according to the 1 day time frame, a massive bullishness we see in a Jasmy. Let's dive into the Bitcoin price. This is the coin make a lot of people rich right now. I told you guys yesterday, Bitcoin it consolidated. If it consolidated in a 1 day time frame, according massive pump and dump, rug pull happened. But main thing is that we see some kind of upturn momentum in a Bitcoin and reaching again the same level, which is approx to the $70,200. So again, it's rejected the same position, and again making a lot of people sick because it's already created a lot of fear previously, and now again it's creating a similar fear and index, and also a lot of companies are so excited. He want to grab the Bitcoin and he want to grab the altcoin at the tip. So I'm not thinking we're doing some kind of silly mistake over here and grabbing the Bitcoin and hold it because we're waiting for approximately 300% gain, eventually 200% gain in upcoming days. We're accepting it should need to break approximately $20,000, and this one is the first resistance. I'm just looking, but the second resistance, which is almost around $30,000. If we succeed to break the $30,000, then we fly like a rocket, and not just only this Bitcoin, it fly like a rocket. Altcoin also adjustment reaching approx 20 or 2 cent, eventually 1 cent in upcoming days. So guys, you see this what exactly we talk about it in a 1 day time frame, also in a weekly time frame. A lot of people is going crazy and they want you to see the Bitcoin reaching approx $20,000, eventually $30,000. If it reaches $30,000, we see some kind of mega ultra super duper pump in a Bitcoin, and nothing is happening in 1 day. It takes time, so I'm just waiting for approx 15 days more to see some kind of pump in a Bitcoin and also in a altcoin. And Jasmy is one of my favorite one. 1 cent, eventually 2 cent in a upcoming days or upcoming week. So this is crazy. Holo are doing something good, and Panasonic partnership and also Sony partnership is massive and huge. These two companies doing something good for Jasmy. I really want to see some kind of big announcement from the Holo side, and let's see what happens. So waiting for approx 15 or 4 more day most. We see some kind of ultra super group pump in Bitcoin, also in Jasmy. Alright guys, this is all about Jasmy and Bitcoin information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Smash the like, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. See you next video.